today's flight, you should be in good health and free from high blood pressure, heart, back, and neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be aggravating this adventure. Expectant mothers should not die, and passengers who do not meet the minimum height requirement may not fly.
Really
Be sure to supervise children at all times.
like
And remember that passengers in wheelchairs must transfer into a rocket to participate in this launch.
like a story.
Full speed ahead, Captain.